Welcome back, culinarians. Today we're focusing on one of the most important aspects of cooking, kitchen safety. Whether you're new to cooking or a seasoned pro, safety should always come first. Let's dive into some essential tips to keep you safe while you cook up your next delicious dish. First up, let's talk about the basics. Let's keep everything clean. Before you start cooking, wash your hands with warm soapy water for at least 20 seconds. This helps to prevent the spread of bacteria. Make sure your countertops, utensils, and cutting boards are clean before and after use. Make sure to use the right tools. Always use sharp knives instead of dull ones. Dull knives can give slip and cause accidents. When cutting, use a stable cutting board and keep your fingers tucked in. We call this the bear claw technique. Handle hot items with care. Always use oven mitts or pot holders when handling hot pots and pans. Never use a wet towel as it can cause steam burns. When lifting a lid from a pot, tilt it away from your face to avoid steam burns. Now let's talk about some common hazards and how to avoid them. Always cut away from your body and never try to catch a falling knife. It's not worth the risk. It could injure you. Store knives in a knife block or a magnetic strip. Never loose in a drawer. To avoid slips and falls, keep the kitchen floor dry. Wipe up spills as soon as they happen. Wear non-slip shoes if you're spending a lot of time in the kitchen. Fire safety is important. Keep flammable items like towels, paper towels, plastic, paper away from the stovetop. If a fire starts in a pan, never use water to put out a grease fire. Let's not forget about electrical safety. Be mindful of appliances. Always unplug appliances when they're not in use, and keep cords away from the sink or stovetop to avoid contact with water or heat. Don't overload outlets or use frayed cords. Finally, let's cover a few more tips to stay safe while cooking. Don't leave cooking unattended. If you need to step away, turn off the stove or have someone watch over your dish. Be careful with oil. Heat oil slowly and never leave it unattended. If it starts to smoke, turn off the heat immediately. Stay focused. Avoid distractions like your phone while cooking. Staying focused can prevent accidents. There you have it. Following these kitchen safety tips will help you ensure that every cooking experience is not only fun, but also safe. Remember, safety is always the first ingredient in any recipe. Now that you're armed with these tips, let's get cooking.